What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. On this electric mountain bike ride, we're here again on Hacienda Heights, starting a group ride. There's going to be, I believe, 4 of us. We all have mid-drives. Today, this will be the first day that I'm taking this newly built Santa Cruz Blur mountain bike that we have. These are all put together with the spare parts that we have. It's a Luna Wolf battery, 52 volt, only 12 amp, so I'm gonna have to reel pedal today. BBSHD, 1000 watt, 1500 watt, 26 inch wheels, and basically the motor and the battery is the same as Crystal's today. Because I'm a little heavier rider, I'm gonna have to pedal because by the end of this 20-mile route, she only has about 12%. But in any case, let's cue in the B-roll. I think Martin's the only one with a BBSO2, but I love that BBSO2. I gave my other mountain bike a break. Whew. Alright, the great thing about this ride is we also exercise. We're not just out here pressing a button, guys. Whew. Especially for today, I'm conserving my battery because I only have 52 volt, 12 amp Luna Wolf. All right. Yeah, easy peasy on this Santa Cruz bike. PAS 8.
Power number 3.
3 only? I'm like on 8, but.
Yeah, but you have a lot. You remember?
Oh, you're right.
I went back down to 5.
Okay, got it. What a beautiful day today is. You can see downtown LA and the Catalina. Almost a 360 view up here. Almost. Oh, look at this lady. No. Guilty, you're in video. Can you explain what you're doing?
I'm planting some.
Are those poppy seeds or?
Yeah, they're the golden poppy seeds.
Oh, you really like this place that much?
You don't like it? I love it.
We'll go to Chino Hills State Park for that.
You never see it over there.
You've never even been, you haven't even biked there.
I have.
You have?
I have.
Such a liar. I'm at 75%.
She's the only one that got brains. I ain't following.
There's like the oh, you're at 85%. There's like a ton of video where reasons why women live longer. This is because they take the safe route. Not the men. You take the dangerous route.
Different route, right?
She's going, but no, she's meeting us down here.
Cool.
Yeah. We're taking the little more sketchier route. A little bit with a drop. Whew, those are some nice brakes. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm sliding all over the place. Whew. Man. All right. Nice and easy. There you go. Yes, sir. Nice. Alrighty, Crystal. Go with your bell. Alright, have fun and sightseeing here, because it doesn't get any nicer than this. Sorry, just testing out my bells. Let's get it. Yeah.
Any spiders this time, too?
We'll see. I haven't seen them in a while, huh? After the rain, I think they're just hiding out. Uh-oh. Yeah, buddy. Thrills on the hills. Oh, I'm not used to these brakes. Whew. You saw the coyote ahead of you, Crystal?
Good.
It was a,
Coyote?
yeah. We see deers sometimes. Coyotes. All right, 1, 2. Okay, Crystal, go for it, lady. Veer right.
Damn, she's
Yeah.
flying down there.
She flies, yeah.
Yeah.
It's cool. Go chef.
Yeah. Just veer right, and then blind spots. Remember, just your horn.
Just be careful. I think the path is a little bit.
Yeah, my brakes doesn't feel good today. Or I mean, is it just me or the ground or I don't know. I think it's my tires too. I'm just not used to these tires. This is the first time ever out with these tires. This one doesn't feel as grippier than my other bike. Like I was just sliding out. Let's roll. More downhill, guys. The fire road is getting a little green from the rain, which is kind of cool. It used to be just dusty up here. I want to bring my drone one time. This looks like it would have been a nice footage here. She's literally planting poppy seeds. This is the video. Guilty as charged.
Now you can blackmail her.
Yeah.
Get yourself a brand new full suspension.
Then I'll never come.
His is like 5213. Mine is
13?
52 only 13, yeah.
Wow.
And then mine is 5212, and then somehow there's like a huge difference from what we see. They get I don't know what it is. No, I have a horn. Yeah. All right, single track. Let's roll. If you ever go on this single track, as much as I'd like to pedal, the ride is much smoother if you're not pedaling at all, actually, so you're not getting like pedal strike, which would cause you to go out of balance. So sometimes it's just good to push on a button here. Especially if there's like crevices like that one. Got you in video, Martin. Then you're the next one I can blackmail. Guilty. Another guy planting poppy seeds. My wife convinced.
Really? What's that metal?
Oh, a dog attachment.
Like for a trailer.
Like I have a spring system, and then my huskies just pull me. I tell Crystal to not be on the seat, and then I find myself being on the seat. It's funny. But yeah, when it comes to pump motion, that's when I suggest get off the seat. But when your suspensions are so squishy and like smooth, I kind of don't care being on the seat. Let's prepare the team for the uphill. Oh, there's a jump. What the hell? Someone made a jump. All right, here's the uphill. One of the steepest part as well. Come on, Santa Cruz. Gotta lean forward. Yes, sir. Here we go. Took a little bit of a break. Let's get cracking. Martin's gonna be taking point this time. What's your battery? 60? Okay, bye. Bye. Yeah, bunny hops.
Ready?
Yep. Let's roll. I'll jump this. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this bike can jump. This bike is like lightweight. Pretty lightweight. Whew. Hello. That's the tree that we cleared. Oh my gosh, this bike is... Whew. It's light. It's really lightweight, this bike. It's just as light as my GT frame. Whew. Yeah, sir. Yeah, buddy. Wow. This trail always wake you up. Yeah, buddy. Huh?
I saw that the previous to the last jump, you're like,
What?
oh, hi.
That was, hi. That was nice, guys. Nice work. Did you get air?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, we're climbing back up that highway to get our second round of jumping here. Rewriting it. For bunny hopping, you're preloading, and then when you're extending, you're also pointing your toe downwards slightly so that you're gripping your bike with you. Yeah, because you're lifting the bike up this way with your arms, but the rest of your bike you have to grip it with your
But I don't just pull my whole front up. I try to pull my whole bike up. I don't know if that makes any...
Yeah, and that helps the rest of the bike, because this one is only going that, right? But you really need this to get the back.
Yeah, as much as...
Second time. Let's roll. Yes, sir. Yeah, what I was telling the group is if you want to go higher, it's not even about speed, it's more technique. I just took AJ's words of advice, and we're definitely getting higher. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Get it? Oh, that was rough. It's almost like a double. Whew. This bike, it's amazing. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Whew. This bike is super light. I just wish I had better tires, or I'm just not used to these skinny ones. Skinnier than normal. That's what this is all about, guys. Get better as a mountain biker. Technique over speed. We don't really ride fast. We ride fast on downhills, but that's just because it's downhill. Who doesn't ride fast downhill? Yeah, so like that one, I didn't even really have enough speed. But if you can lift your bike up the way you could, it's kind of the same idea of like a skateboard. You're gripping your feet, so you're lifting your bike up with you on the jumps. You! Yes, sir! I love how this bike handles, actually. Whew. Yeah, buddy. Okay, that wasn't really a jump. Oh, so amazing. Amazing. Last one. Make it count. Yeah, buddy. All right. All had fun going downhill. Now, conserving battery, going uphill, also pedaling for the Turnbull Tower. Oh, we got a surron. Okay. Not allowed here, but okay, sir. Looks like Tom ran out of battery because he didn't fully charge last night. This is the first time someone ran out of battery on this ride, and they're all walking, doing the walk of shame. But we're pretty much in the highest part. We're gonna break at the water tower. I'm gonna try the monster. I'm gonna fall, but I'm gonna try it. Monster hill. Let's get it. Come on. Oh my god. It's so bumpy. These tires are not gripping. Man. My tires aren't gripping. Dang it. I made it kind of halfway. Oh. Whew. Whew. Oh. 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 This thing. Man, my tires aren't gripping. Oh well. I'm going the regular way. Almost there, Tom. Almost there. No, you're good. Yeah. All right. We're going to take a 20-minute break. Hopefully, Tom's battery come back a little bit. But yeah, here's our final stop destination. I'm at 38%. You taking this way? All right. All right, lean back for your weight. Be careful.
Thank you.
Downhill. Pretty bumpy here. Here we go. I'm afraid for my tires, but... All right. Oh, yep. Tom's... Don't have the best of grip here. Just... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting it. Oh, so slippery. All right, there's a dropout on the left here. You.
Yeah.
All right, all good? You got some battery?
Hopefully.
A little bit? Okay.
You know, anything besides the e-bike, you know?
Wheelie practice. You gotta be sitting for the weight. No. This bike doesn't really wheelie, but it is what it is. Whoever wants to go first, just ride safe, all downhill. 6 minutes of fun, windy downhill. You! Let's get it. The only downside to Facebook events is I can't limit the group, whereas Meetup allows you to limit the attendees. Anyhow, that's going to be today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in on this test run of this Santa Cruz BBSHD Luna Wolf mid-drive. Today was a fun day. Looks like we went about 17.5 miles. No one got hurt. Everyone had some fun in the jumps. Everyone progressed. Everyone got some air. And that's all we really care about. Alright. Like and subscribe. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73 arielrider or your DIY middrive. Stay safe and amazing out there, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. You.